Hello friends. First of all, I hope that today is a very good day for you. I have brought you a different kind of video today. First of all, I will show you this YouTube channel. Look at it carefully.
Stone and go to the market. If someone asks you for the price, stay quiet and hold up 2 fingers. The boy followed his father's instructions and went to the market. After some time, an old woman approached him and asked, "How much is this stone worth?" The boy remained.
Okay, you have a little idea by now what I am going to talk about today. Yes, today I will tell you how to create a YouTube channel, how to choose a suitable name for it, how to prepare a profile picture, how to prepare a banner image, and how to use AI technology to create a successful cartoon video very quickly. I will show you a part of the video
idyllic
I
village
made.
with charming cottages surrounded by vibrant, lush greenery. The green eyes. He wears a pair of overalls and a striped shirt, always ready for an adventure. The 2 children are inseparable, often seen holding hands or laughing together. A serene scene by the Crystal Creek, where the water is clear and sparkles like diamonds under the sun. Lily and Ben are kneeling beside the creek, looking concerned as they discover the tiny injured rabbit. The rabbit Snowball has fluffy white fur and large expressive eyes filled with vulnerability.
Let's go to the video.
Lily tenderly wraps Snowball in her blue scarf.
I want to tell you something else. These types of videos have generated a large number of views and subscribers, as well as a large number of YouTubers who use them as a way to earn good money. So why are we getting late? Okay then, no more talk. Shall we go to the video now? Let me tell you first, trust me. 100% what I am First of all, I will teach you how to create a YouTube. Go to Settings. Click Create New Channel. Then you will be shown on the screen. Then go to ChatD. Type, I will post the dialogue below. You copy it. Okay, I asked for 5 names, so I'll pick the nurse name here. Our channel can be watched like this. Is this the only thing that has been done? No, there is a lot of work. We first need to create your profile picture. As I have planned to create videos related to cartoons, I will create your profile picture in a suitable quality photo. I am using Leonardo AI for that. I'll leave the links below for you to download Leonardo AI quickly. Just click them. Again, let's go to ChatGPT. I'll put the details below. Copy it yourself. Now on to Leonardo AI. We were given some nice profile pictures. I am downloading this image from After that, I need to create a banner, so I use the Canva web page for that. I forgot to tell you that it gives you special privileges. You can get free service through all the websites I mentioned. It's very easy. I'll pick a few of these and see what fits. Okay, I found one that fits. I will fill in the details that I have intended for this and design it. Okay, we're done with our banner design. Now let's prepare the description here. Let's go back to ChatGPT. Type in this way. I'll post the details below. Okay, we've created our YouTube channel. Let's create our own cartoon. You type this way. I'll post the details below. Okay, then because this description that ChatGPT gives us is necessary to create photos from Leonardo AI, you should inform ChatGPT again that you need to create photos with Leonardo AI. Okay, now copy the details given to you by Chat. Then move on to Leonardo AI. Paste that. Here are the images I downloaded. You can also download this. Then we need to create a soundtrack for this. I am using the 11 Labs web page for that. I will put the link here and below.
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Our distrust is very expensive.
There's power in looking silly and not.
The thing always happens that you...
Life without love is like a tree without.
A single rose can be my garden.
The world is round.
I am looking for the perfect voice for this. Yes, I found that.
Man sees in the world, happiness can exist only in acceptance.
Go to ChatGPT. Copy the binary partition by partition. Download your audio below on the right. It is very easy. We have finished downloading the basic components we need. That's how we're going to give life to this. In short, the end of the video is correct. For that, I chose CapCut video editing app. I am uploading the first downloaded photos to CapCut. After that, I adjust these to fit. After that, the downloaded voice parts are uploaded. Okay, the work on the video is over. We still have some work to do. What's up? The first one is to create the thumbnail. I am getting a visa for that through Chact. I will mention the details below. It will be convenient for you to create videos. Copy the description from ChatGPT. Go to the Leonardo AI. Paste it. I got all 4 photos very interesting and I like this photo. It will download. Okay, let's go back to Chact and request a nice title. Adjust the word meaning to match it to your video. We will create a brief description of the complete sections of our video. I will ask ChatGPT to create a short description for. We need some tags for this and we will get that from ChatGPT. Okay friends, then I'll stop for today. I believe that you have gained a good knowledge of what I have taught. Comment below your questions and concerns. They are very valuable to me. I'll go then. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Keep bell notification turned on. Have a wonderful day.